Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel, Decor and DIY with Anita. Of course, I'm your girl Anita. Happy Monday to you all. Today I will be doing a few DIYs using Dollar Tree products, guys. If you want to know what I'll be doing and how my DIY is going to turn out, please watch this video to the end, guys, and leave your comments down below. As you can see, I'm holding in my hand two baskets I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and these baskets can be used in your office or in your bathroom. They are the wired baskets from the Dollar Tree for just $1.25, guys. I'm gonna be using these two baskets and a charger to make a table. Yes, guys, I'm gonna be making a table, something like a patio table that you could use on your patio for the summer coming, and you could also store things inside of it, you guys. I'm gonna be attaching these two baskets with my zip ties, as you can see. So for this project, it's gonna be glueless. I'm not using my glue gun, I'm using zip ties, you guys. For the charger that will be going on the top, I am not gonna be gluing that part down. I'm leaving it so I could put something inside the basket, like something like a storage slash table kind of style. Yeah, so if you like this idea, give me a thumbs up, and if you try this idea out, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you try this one out, you guys. And if you're not yet a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and as you do so, hit that arrow at the side and select all so that you will be notified whenever I put out a brand new video. Guys, this DIY is pretty straightforward, simple and easy, guys, and it's gonna turn out so cute, you guys. So as you can see, I'm adding multiple zip ties. I'm gonna put about 3 zip ties in just to make sure it is held tightly. And now, guys, I'm just going in to cut off the part of the zip tie that is hanging, guys, because we don't want it to look tacky, right? So I'm just cutting those off, you guys. And let me tell you, I don't know why I didn't think of this idea before. You know, this is such a good idea. It is slightly uneven, as you can see, but nevertheless, you know, you have to look closely to see it. So I'm just gonna put it down just to see how it would look when you style it, or how it would look beside a couch. I'm not gonna leave it there, but guys, this is a great idea for someone who has a patio. You set up your patio set in your backyard, and you just want that little table to rest your drink on, or your food. It's just a little table to put at the side of your outdoor couch. You could rest anything you want to rest on it, guys. I'm just showing you how to style it, you guys. So if you like this DIY, leave me your comments down below. So for this other project, I will be gluing this martini glass and this vase purchased from the Dollar Tree together to make a beautiful candle holder. This is gonna be absolutely beautiful, guys. As you can see, it is all together now. So guys, I did this place as a DIY for Easter, and guys, I'm just using these clings which are so beautiful for summer. I'm gonna be putting them on the candle holder, you guys. I already threw away the eggs. There was an egg cling on it too, so I was gonna throw them away, and I said, let me put them on here. They might look just beautiful on here, just for it looks like a spring kind of design, and as you can see, my son is here trying to help me. He's like, oh mommy, that is pretty. Yeah, so I'm just adding them to the candle holder, guys, and this is gonna look so beautiful. I did one before, so this is my second one, as I have to do this one on camera to show you what it looks like and what you could do with the simple Dollar Tree vases and martini glass. And the good thing about it, the martini glass is very heavy and thick, so when you put it down, it's not like light or anything. It has that weight to it. So yes, guys, this is a good DIY that I think everyone should try out. Let me know in the comments below if you tried this one out. Until next time, be blessed, be creative. Bye bye.